the Reflective Mind. This is your host Monica. Today we are going to do the Major Arcana card number 19, the Sun. The connotations are warmth, success, vitality, positivity, fun, new beginnings. The alternate name is children. Fire is the element. Sun is a planet. Success is the meaning. Chakra are the solar plexus for the physical health and soul wisdom. Key meanings are success, good health, and holidays. Sun is a very positive card. Overall, I'm just telling. In a sunny, walled garden, we are back in what happens to be earthly paradise of card. 6. The Lovers. Yet now we are reaching higher level of consciousness and awakening. With the sun, we are seeing the cosmic light. The child on his horse ready to return home, uniting his spirit with the spirit of the world. He is open-armed and full of joy, and his nakedness shows him as a child of nature. Psychiatrist Carol Jung saw the archetype of the child as an aspect of our developing personality. In this way, the sun holds echoes of our own childhood, revealing an opportunity to recapture our early days, an idealized time of innocence and happiness, free for a time from adult worldly anxieties. In this sense, the sun is one of the happiest cards of the tarot, offering century growth, success, and happiness. The child is in direct sunlight, in a full awareness of himself and his place in the universe. He can see his way ahead. His world so unlike the darker world of the preceding card, the moon, which can only offer the reflected light. In the major arcana sequence, the sun arises after the card, the moon, before the card, the world. Having faced the fears of the moon, we, like the child, now see the light of the world and make ready for the ride towards the arriving card before our reincarnation as a Fool, card 0. When this card shows up in upright position, the sun brings success and achievement and is one of the most positive cards in the major arcana. If you have had a challenging time, the sun shows that every aspect of your life will improve. You will also enjoy more energy, and if you or someone close had suffered from health problems, the card predicts recovery and the return to a good health. As a card of energy and the growth, all your projects benefit now. So the sun heralds a good time to nurture your creative endeavor, your business, and the relationship you value. This card is also associated with the children and family. It reveals good news about the children in the journal and also about spending happy times with the friends who make you smile. You may be reunited with an old friend, partner, or a family member. In terms of the state of mind, the sun shows you feeling carefree and creative, nurturing your inner child. In a layout with a negative cards, the sun has the power to shed a positive light on the whole reading. Here's some of the good news about the sun can predict. You feel comfortable. If it shows up in a home setting, you feel comfortable and secure in your home. You may feel more like entertaining others. In a particular, the sun shows children coming into your house. Relationship, partnership bloom under the sun as your relationship grows and you enjoy every minute together. You may also take a trip away to a sunny place to escape everyday pressure. Career and money. The sun does not specifically predict money, but does show success in a position from which you can generate money. The sun shines on your career too as you get the acknowledgement you deserve. Now is the time to bask in your success. If this shows up in a reverse position, it's virtually impossible to see any negative side to the sun even when reversed. The only glitch could be a delay or travel plans, but you will enjoy a happy content period regardless. Its wisdom messages: enjoy your success. Different symbols which are showing up: the sun itself. The sun is a symbol of consciousness, happiness, self-expression. The solar power of the sun signifies energy and the good health. In numerology, the 21 rays of sun reduced to the 3, the Empress, perhaps a link to the Empress as the mother of the divine child. Child of the children, simplicity, innocence, purity, wholeness. These are all elements of the happy inner child. The child appears to have 6 small flowers in his or her hair in the spirit of celebration. The sunflower growth, beauty, strength. The sunflower grows tall above the level of the wall, reaching upwards to see what is beyond the boundaries. The 4 sunflowers may symbolize the 4 elements: the air, water, fire, and earth, everything that is needed for life. The sunflower is a symbol of lighted a nymph who turns into a sunflower when mourning loss of her lover. The sun god Helios, the Greek Apollo, she always faces the sun, hoping to see Apollo, sun chariot, returns. The sunflower is also a symbol of the spiritualist church, as the sunflower when young turns its head to capture the sun throughout the day. So this tells us the search for the light is our true nature. The walled garden, boundaries, security and protection. A.E. Waite calls this the walled gardens and sensitive light. The bright grey horse, he represents the vehicle for our soul, the physical body. The red flag, this illustrates the energy and vitality. The red feather, this familiar image represents the life force. So this is all about the card Sun, and I hope you like this reading. Hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.